Write an equation of the line that contains the points 3, -2, and 5, -2. When we want to find the equation of a line, we usually use point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. But to do that, we need a point on the line, and we need the slope of the line. We're actually given 2 points on the line, but we're not given the slope of the line, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find the slope. Now, when we have 2 points on the line, we can easily find the slope by using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's plug in these numbers. y2 is the y-coordinate of the second point. That's going to be -2. So we've got -2 minus y1 is the y-coordinate of the other point. It's going to be -2. So -2 minus -2 over x2 minus x1. That's going to be the x-coordinate of the second point minus the x-coordinate of the first point. So that's going to be 5 minus 3. In the numerator, when we subtract a negative, it's the same as adding a positive. So that's going to be -2 plus 2. The denominator 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, if we actually do the calculation in the numerator, -2 plus 2 is 0. So we have 0 over 2, which is 0. So the slope here is 0. Now that we know the slope, we can use point-slope form. Let's plug in what we have. Y minus y1. Now y1 is the y-coordinate of the first point, which is -2. So we've got y minus -2 equals m. The slope, we calculated that to be 0, times x minus x1. x1 is 3, so we can plug in 3 there. On the left, that's going to become y plus 2. And on the right, when we distribute, 0 times x is 0, and 0 times -3 is 0. 0 times anything is 0, so the right-hand side is just going to be 0. So we've got y plus 2 equals 0. To get y alone, we subtract 2 from both sides, and we end up with y equals -2. If you're curious what this looks like, this is the same as y equals 0x minus 2. You could think of it like that. It is a line that has slope 0 and y-intercept -2. We know that a line that has slope 0 is a horizontal line, so this is a horizontal line that goes through 0, -2. Anytime we have y equals a constant, it's going to end up being a horizontal line.